How to add Tesco card to Apple Wallet. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add your Tesco Club card to Apple Wallet. So first, make sure you have the Tesco Grocery and Club Card app installed. If you haven't, download the app and log into your account. Once you are logged in, scroll down and tap on Club Card at the bottom. This will bring up your Club card along with your points and rewards. Now, scroll up at the top and tap on your club card. You will see a QR code, but what we're looking for is the Add to Apple Wallet button. Tap that and you will see your name and club card number. Simply tap Add in the top right corner and your Tesco Club card will be added to Apple Wallet. And that's it. You have successfully added your Tesco card to Apple Wallet. It's super convenient for quick access and makes checking out even easier. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.